Are you looking clothes closet to store your clothes? Look no further. We have compiled a list of the top 5 best clothes closets on the market. From small closets to large walk-in closets, we have you covered. So what are you waiting for? So let's get started with the list. Song Mix Portable Clothes Closet. The Silver Mix Portable Clothes Closet will save you time and energy by hanging up even more garments with its 9 storage shelves. The Mustache Man Portable Clothes Rack is the ideal place to store all your clothes. Choose from several styles and colors to create a stylish, organized closet. This versatile clothing rack has you covered with 2 hanging rods for daily outfits, as well as 9 storage shelves for bags, hats, underwear, and socks. Made out of non-woven fabric and strengthened by thick metal tubes and plastic connectors. The non-woven fabric makes your clothes last longer and prevents them from wrinkling. Our portable clothes rack has you covered. Carry this lightweight wardrobe everywhere you go to avoid having to lug heavy suitcases around. Designed with the quality that you want in a suitcase at a comfortable price point. We hope you love this versatile luggage as much as we do. List number Olimart Wooden Hangers, Wood Hangers, 20-pack coat hangers. Let your clothes bask in the glory of wood. Our wooden closet clothes hangers are made from DE professional wood, providing an impeccable finish that is closely related to that of natural wood. The strong and durable material will hold the weight of your suits and dresses with ease. While Shima Superba wood is considered to be environmentally sound, comes with a natural finish, and has been sanded to a smooth and splinter-free finish. These hangers are handmade with natural materials with a simple, modern design that is both affordable and functional. Olimart's wooden hangers are built to last through years of hauling clothes around your home or office. As an added bonus, many people who use our wooden hangers say that they enjoy the moisture protection provided by these natural coat clips. List number Whitmore Clothes Closet. Whitmore Clothes Closet provides a neat, convenient, and practical solution for storing, organizing, and hanging your garments. This freestanding 3-shelf clothes closet is designed with 1.5-inch open lattice construction and a durable black powder coat finish that enhances its styling appeal. Reduce your closet clutter with our freestanding clothes hanger rack. This compact closet wardrobe rack can be easily set up and installed in a small space, taller than most closets. With a beautiful blue cover and easy access zipper opening, this shelving unit is the perfect way to organize your everyday items or hang seasonal garments for easy access. Organize your closet with the new Clothes Closet by Whitmore. This unit includes a blue cover with easy access zipper and a see-through window that lets you keep tabs on what's inside easily. Assembled dimensions: 19.75 inches times 36 inches times 64 inches. List number Portable Closet Clothes. Portable Closet Clothes is a multi-module, multi-purpose wardrobe with quick fold technology to reduce the time and effort required for assembly. Whether you are storing clothing, working professionals, or residential, this product will be your best choice. Easy storage in 3 steps. Good partner for renting. Say goodbye to disposable wardrobe. The total size is 41 inches times 20 inches times 67 inches. 50 centimeter deep in cabinet. Compared with ordinary wardrobes, the space is larger. Large pieces of clothing are stored, not easy to squeeze out of shape. Dust-proof treatment on the surface of the door panel can reduce dust adsorption. The wardrobe is divided into a placing area and a hanging area to meet the needs of most families. Stainless steel reinforced cabinet. Shelf-level load bearing up to 130 pounds. The top of the wardrobe can also store. List number 5. Vipec V5C Heavy-Duty Covered Clothes Closet Rack. The Vipec V5C Heavy-Duty Covered Clothes Closet Rack is constructed of iron, offering a sturdy and durable frame. It comes with 8 adjustable shelves and 4 removable hanging rods. The well-organized wardrobe closet of your dreams. Raise or lower the shelving to customize your well-organized wardrobe closet of your dreams. Smooth nylon zipper start from top to bottom. Creates clothes closet space anywhere in your home, and it's easy for the cover to open and close. Made of high-quality iron, it features stable, sturdy, and durable. All metal parts are powder-coated, which protects sturdy clothes rack from water and rust to ensure years of use. Zippered Oxford fabric dust-proof cover offered to keep your item away from dust. And Oxford fabric tier is easy to clean with damp cloth.